Good morning, Kingdom Dogs here with a video debut of Kylie, Kelly, and Katie. So 3 of our F1B Cavapoos, and their mom is Lolly. And these guys are just 4 weeks old, so they're really still kind of looking for mama and not really doing a whole lot of playing, but we wanted to get them on video for ya. This is Katie here, the darker red one. And then Kelly is a little bit curlier than her sister, Kylie. This is Kylie. Hopefully we can get them to come over here and play. And their brothers are off camera, kind of crying. Hi guys. Super cute little girls. All 3 of these girls are still available, so if you're interested in any of them, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email. Down here. There you are. Good morning. Good morning, guys. I know, you'd rather just run around the whole house, but then you wouldn't be easy to get on video. All of these guys are about the same size. Katie, I think, is just a little tiny bit bigger than her 2 sisters here, but not by much. Katie also has a little bit wavier coat, whereas her sisters are a little more curly. Again, just a quick video of these guys. If you're interested in any of them, our contact information is in the description below.